It's time to trim the lifted and dead cuticle. I use nail manicure scissor. You can use nipper to nip the cuticle or cut the lifted cuticle. Do this step very gently and very carefully. For the nail prep, I use the hydration and right now using acid-free or non-acid primer. You can use bonder or gel primer. I should notice that this tutorial is about refill or infill the gel nails. If you want to do the nail extension with any type of gels such as medium gels, BuilderGel, hard gel, PolyGel, or any other type of gels that could be used for extension, you should do some different steps. It's a little different with refill. And because I love you so much, I made some nail extension tutorial with gels and dual forms for you and put it on this channel for you. It's your channel, not mine, because I put this video just for you, to help you and to say that I love you so much. I want to see you that make your nails and your customers' nails beautiful and amazing. And I made this video just for you. Okay, so don't forget to like this video and the other video on the English nail tutorial playlist on my channel. Share them with your friend, leave a comment for me, like, and do anything you can do for your channel. Go back to the tutorial. For the next step, I use a slip layer of a clear gel. It helps you that have a better result for nail cover or even nail extension. For this step, you can use base coat or even clear rubber base or any other type of clear base gels. The base gel should be clear. Don't use colored base gel for the slip layer step. It's very important. It's an extra step that I want to use for the first time to see the result. You can deny this step, but I say what I'm doing. I use a thin layer of milky rubber base, and after this step, I want to put the main amount of BuilderGel on the nail and shape it and cover the nail fully. Okay, be careful about this step. It's an extra step that I'm using. You can skip this step and go to the next step. But I wanted to show you that what I'm doing A to Z. It's time to cover the nail plate with beautiful BuilderGel, a milky and shiny BuilderGel that could make a fantastic results on my nail.